Guess Who? How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to correctly guess your opponent's character 5 times. Unlock the latches and separate the boards and give one to each player. Agree to a character set to use and open the frame and slide it in. Both players must use the same set. Tilt your frame forward until all the doors are open. Then, fold it open and back to prop it up in front of you. Pick a character and slide the marker over it. Players should not be able to see their opponent's chosen character. The youngest player goes first, then turns alternate. On your turn, ask one yes or no question about the other player's picked character. The other player must then answer truthfully with a yes or no. You then close doors for any characters that do not match the other player's answer. Then your turn ends and your opponent goes. When you think you know who the other player's chosen character is, make a guess instead of asking a question. If you guessed correct, then you win and slide your score marker up 1. If not, your turn ends and the game continues. Keep playing until one player wins 5 rounds. Then that player is the winner.